Hey everybody, hope everybody is hanging in there. I am going to be putting together a Traci Reed project using her new collection, EGGCITED. It is a fun Easter and spring themed kit, and I will be using it to do a Project Life spread from last year, and I've decided that with her kits, she comes out with some great holiday kits, so I will probably do a few pages in my Project Life 2019 album using her collections to document the holidays. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Sabrina, and I am on a few design teams, including Coco Daisy, Traci Reed Designs, and Scrap and Happy Studio. I also just launched my first class, Big Picture Classes. Information for that is in the description box below. This spread I put together all digitally, so it should come together pretty quick. I took her journaling cards and I printed those out. She had a banner. I'm gonna lay this over. I also took two of these wood signs and I added some chipboard on them. And same thing with this hip hip hooray. Hip hop, I should say, hip hop. And then her two little bunnies that are super cute. I think she named this one Gus and this one's Gloria. Super cute. And then I needed some eggs and I didn't need them to be too big. So what I did is I took one of her stickers. They probably maybe are meant for planner stickers, I'm not sure, but I decided to use them for this spread and I was able to fussy cut them out. And then there's another journaling card. Let's see what else. This one reminded me of kind of like a cage or a fence. So I'm gonna put some Easter eggs on top and then I put a little piece there like a washi strip. And I am just gonna put this together and it should, like I said, come together pretty quick. All right, here I go. Okay, I am gonna work on putting these in the spots that I want them because even though I made this project in Photoshop Elements, sometimes I wind up changing the order of the photos depending on how it looks once I get everything laid out, because I don't want two cards next to each other like these two green cards. They wound up together, so I need to make sure that they're not. And then I just want to make sure everything is balanced and like there's not a photo of my kids like right next to each other. My son, two photos of my son right next to each other. If you get what I mean, it's all about balance. So for this 4x6 card, I layered on an egg pattern across like a very thick strip. And then I took one of her wood framed signs, Traci's wood frame sign that says Happy Easter. And I'm gonna put that on. And I added some chipboard to that as well. And since I already had Happy Easter, I covered up that banner with the family. And then I'll just trim off the extra. I also took a little chipboard, or I made a chipboard with the hip hop, gosh, I can't say that. And I put that above the photo of my mother-in-law and husband counting out the goodies with the kids. And then I'm gonna lay down some eggs. And I thought about pop downing them, but in the end, I'm just gonna kind of bend and manipulate the sides and the top to give some more dimension. And then I pop dotted the Gus and the Gloria bunnies because they are so cute. I thought about putting those on chipboard, but since I was thinking of them as a different type of material than the wood signs, I just left them alone and just used the pop dots. For the bottom one, I think I just did those eggs. I made sure to put 4 for the 4 of us in our family. And then I'm going to add a carrot at the end and then 2 little eggs. So just a very simple spread that definitely documents the Easter festivities. And see, I just trim off those and now you can't even tell. And plus that card now has a little bit more dimension to it. And then I'm just going to finish up journaling about the beautiful day because it was a beautiful spring day and the kids absolutely had a blast hunting for eggs. And this year it should be interesting to document Easter. It was a wonderful Easter, just very different. But I'm glad I have this spread now done in my March Project Life because that means that my March Project Life is almost done. I have one more spread for it. Okay, so see, the spread came together. So this is a super quick process video, but I still wanted to share that digital kits can help you get pages done, and you can use them in a variety of ways. Thanks so much for watching this. I appreciate it. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.